Today we're going to make a cute little button tree ornament. So first you're going to need a bunch of buttons. You're going to need them in brown, and then you're also going to need some in green or any color you want. And then you're also going to need a little star to put on top. Mine is a little button also, but you can just put a little star on top if you want. You're also going to need string. I have gold and silver string here today, but I'm only going to use the gold for my project. You're also going to need something to thread the string through your buttons. Today I have a little threading needle that's made for beads, but it'll also work for the buttons. So first you want to take your green buttons and line them up biggest to smallest. You may have to try a couple different combinations before it looks right. You're also going to need 3 small brown buttons for the base of the tree. Next you're going to take your string and you're going to thread your needle. Then you're going to take your string and thread it through one of the holes of the smallest buttons. Then you're going to take the next size down button and thread it through one of the holes as well. Repeat this process until you're out of buttons. Once you've used all your green buttons, you want to take the brown buttons and thread the string through one of their holes until you use all 3 buttons. Once you reach the end of your buttons, you want to take the string and thread it through the opposite hole that your string originally came out of. You want to do this for all of the buttons until you reach the top. Now you're going to take a little bit of this string at the top. You want to make sure that there's a couple inches on either end before you cut it. You're going to use the string that you just cut and you're going to tie a very tight knot so that way your buttons don't come loose. Now that your tree is done, you're going to take 2 pieces of string on the top of your tree and tie a knot around the new piece of string. Now you're going to take the needle and you're going to thread one of the pieces of the string that went through your tree. You're going to take your star and thread that onto your tree. You want to make sure that for this you go through both holes. Now that your star is on your tree, you're going to take the other end that went through your tree and tie a knot. You're then going to cut the old pieces of string off. Now you're going to take the new piece of string and tie the ends together. Adjust the loop to what size you want for hanging it up on your tree. Once you've decided, double knot it. When you're done, cut the ends off. Now slide the knot so that way it's behind the star. And now you're done and you have a cute little Christmas tree ornament. Please like and subscribe.